Hey everybody, Terry White here and welcome to my garage. Today we're going to take a look at installing the new Nomad wireless phone charger for the Tesla Model 3. I just took it out of the box. This is it. It's all ready to go. So let's do it. All right, so we're inside the new Tesla Model 3. I've got the Nomad charger ready to go out of the box. Again, this is exactly how it comes, no assembly required. Now inside this charger, first of all, you can charge one or two phones at the same time. And inside this charger is actually a 6,000 milliamp hour battery that will allow for faster charging. So the cables actually charge the battery inside the unit charge one or two phones simultaneously at full speed, whether they're iOS or Android devices. So that's one of the reasons why I really like this particular charger. And the second reason is that it's really designed to complement the Model 3. It looks like a factory installed item, or about to be a factory installed item once we take the old one out. So the old one, of course, is underneath here. And really there's just two USB ports and of course a place to rest your phone. Now you're going to have to take all that out, so we're just going to go ahead and lift this one up as well. And this little plate comes up and this little thing slides to the left to expose your existing cables. And there's a little mat here. This is all going to come out. And we're just going to go ahead and take out the old cables. I had two lightning cables. One came with the car. The other one I borrowed from my Tesla Model S, which also has a wireless charger in it. So I don't need the cables anymore. And now I'm not going to need the cables anymore in the Model 3. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, I was wondering, it's like, well, does this come out? No, this stays in. You just basically take everything off of it. And then you're going to fish your two USB cables into the same holes so that you can plug them into the unit below. All right, there we go. And of course we can put that plate back on for decorative purposes. And that was what was holding the, you know what, before I put that back on, let's go ahead and get the cables plugged in. Let's do that first. Now you have two USB ports built into your Model 3. I just got to find them here. There they are, I can feel them now. So we're going to plug one in. That one's in. We're going to plug the other one in, which is right next to it. Okay, there it is. Okay, so both are plugged in. And now we'll just put the decorative plate back. And let's make sure we get this back on the right way. There we go. And we have our new charger installed. All right, so I brought my iPhone XS, which of course charges wirelessly. Anything from an iPhone 8 on up charges wirelessly, and of course there's several Android devices that charge wirelessly. So no longer do I have to fumble around looking for the lightning port. I just set it down and it starts charging. That's the beauty of this, and it's charging at full speed. Also, if I have a passenger with a wireless phone, they just set theirs down as well, and there's charges as well. So this is the beauty of this particular charger. It looks great. This is all rubber coated, so your phone's not going to slide around, and you and your passenger can enjoy wireless charging just that easily. And if you still want to hide everything, you still can, because that still closes. So it fits perfectly inside the Model 3. Designed for it and works great. There we go. So charging indicators also are nice, so you can see when it's charged or when it's charging. And this is just a great enhancement for the Tesla Model 3. Now these were pre-order price at $129. The regular price will go up to $149. So if you're interested in getting one, depending on when you watch this video, just head over to hellonomad.com to place your order, and I'll put the link also in the video description. So that's it, the Tesla Model 3 Nomad wireless charger for the Tesla Model 3. Cheers, everybody. Take care. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.